This TikTok is for the man. So women, you can keep scrolling or you can watch. You're gonna learn something too. A lot of you men are in relationships with women who actually don't care at all about you as a person. They got into the relationship not because of you as a person, but about the way you made her feel. So she got in a relationship for the emotions. As soon as you don't make her feel like that anymore, she will leave you. And she will always chase emotions. That's not saying that's every girl, right? But I let you know how you can know which ones are the ones that you want to leave behind. The ones you want to leave behind give you good behavior based on the way they feel. So if they feel good, they treat you good, but if they feel bad, they don't do good things for you. The ones you want to keep are the ones who keep acting on values. They love you and they do loving actions no matter how they feel. Unless you break their value of loyalty or something where you show with your actions that you're not loyal to them. If they're just emotional because of something, they will still support you and your well-being with actions. For example, if you need to go to the doctor and you can't drive there, they will of course still drive you. If they can help you create something to be more successful, they will still support you with that. If they don't do those things, leave them. It's not worth it. They're only there to make emotions feel better. Like they want to feel excitement or companionship, or they don't want to feel lonely. So they're not really loyal to you. They're loyal to the feelings. And don't ever come to me and say, oh, she doesn't show me with the actions that she loves me, but I love her. No, you're just attached to her. She also makes your feelings feel better. So you guys fit perfectly because you both don't care about each other. You care about how the other person makes you feel. So women, it's exactly the same for you guys. Don't listen to someone's words. Watch their actions. If he or she doesn't give to you with loving actions, no matter how they feel, they don't care about you. Follow me for the real talk.